Okay, so today's live show, I will guide you to have a visiting our factory in the perspective of our customers. So let's go and have a look.
Yes, I can't wait.
Okay, let's go. Okay, you know, for environmental protection, it's always a hot topic in the world.
Oh, so big and wider factory. Okay, very good, Bella. Could you give me a brief introduction about your factory?
Of course. Our company was established in March 2011, and till now we have 200 employees in total.
Okay, very huge. How about size of the factory?
The whole factory covers an area of 40,000 square meters, so that we can produce 12 sets of pyrolysis within 20 days. You know, it's a quick machine delivery.
Yes, quick delivery is important to us. You know, it can help us to get the investment payback.
Yes, I totally agree with you.
Yes. Oh, what's this, Bella?
Okay, here you can see this is our solar power system. In many areas in the world, it's a lack of electricity, right? And so our company adopted this solar power system to produce electricity. So it can solve the electricity problem, you know.
Yes, it can save much money.
Yeah. And besides, this solar power is a kind of clean energy.
Yes.
And it won't cause any pollution, you know.
Perfect.
Okay, look here. Not only here and the roofs of our buildings.
It's a little far, but I can see it.
Yeah, these were electricity panels, and so all of our factories' electricity was provided with this solar power.
Very good device.
Yeah. And it won't cause any pollution, you know.
Yes, it can save much energy.
Yes, you're right. Okay, now behind us is the main workshop. You can see there are so many workshops, right?
Yes,
and behind us is the main workshop. Okay, let's get it and to have a look.
Yes, I can't wait. Oh, that is your corporation's logo, doing.
Yes, it's our company's name. You can see.
Welcome to doing.
Welcome to.
Yes. Very beautiful.
Okay, now it's the main workshop of our company's factory. Okay, now get it?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Doors open?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we are in the lobby connected to our workshop. You can see our company's name and logo.
Doing corporation.
Yeah.
Oh, what's this? This is a world map.
Yeah, you can see this is a world map, and as I said, our machine has installed into more than 70 countries.
Many countries.
Yeah. And this world map, it can show our market.
Okay. Could you introduce them for me?
Of course, such as this part is Europe, you know?
Yes.
And our customers from Colombia,
Brazil,
Peru and Chile, etc.
Yes,
and for Africa, we have customers from Nigeria. Yeah. And so many customers.
Also in India?
Yeah, in India. This part is Southeast Asia. You know, this is our country, China.
Yes.
And we have many huge scale pyrolysis plant in China's market.
Yes.
And we also have many customers from India, Indonesia, and Malaysia, and so on.
Yes, I just know there are many factories in India about this project.
Yeah, this project in India is very major now.
What is over here?
You mean the photos on the wall?
Yes. I know this one. This is pyrolysis equipment, right?
Yes, these pictures are all our installation pictures.
Yes.
And for this machine, it's the pyrolysis plant. And for this project, you can see
one. Very good.
Yeah, this is our Mexico's customers.
Yes.
He totally bought 12 sets of pyrolysis.
12?
Yes, 12 sets. Because the considerable profit, you know.
Yes.
And this is the project of our Italian customers.
Okay.
And this is the Colombia's pyrolysis plant.
There are many engineers.
Yeah. They are very professional.
Yes, very professional.
And besides, he also installed our distillation plant so that they can get diesel as their
you
final
also said
product.
distillation
Yeah,
plant.
yeah.
This one?
Yes, this is the distillation.
Okay.
I just said.
Oh, so beautiful.
Yes, it's the latest design.
Yes, very clear.